Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the CUSO Memoria RAM DDR4 with the features you need for high-performance desktop gaming. This DDR4 RAM boasts a memory frequency of 3200 MHz or 3600 MHz, allowing for smooth and efficient operation. It provides the capabilities you need for multitasking, and gaming. Not only does it offer the performance you're looking for, but it also features a stylish design with RGB lighting to add flair to your setup. The dual-channel design ensures optimal data transfer between the RAM and processor. For peace of mind, this RAM is backed by a lifetime warranty. With original and high-quality chips, as well as compatibility assurance, it's designed to provide a reliable and stable experience for your desktop. So, whether you're building a new gaming rig or looking to upgrade your current setup, the CUSO Memoria RAM DDR4 is the perfect choice. Check the link in the video description to pick up your own CUSO Memoria RAM DDR4 and take your gaming experience to the next level. Don't miss out. Thanks for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next one.